Hey, what's up guys, and I'm gonna survive in only 5 days in horror mud. And this, every single day I'm gonna add 2 mud. This is just, and my phone is low, but this is okay, bruh. It's freaking okay. And there's, okay, let's get some resources before turn night. It's okay. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga inad kong I don't know. Guys, please subscribe, guys. I want to be a YouTuber, a best YouTuber, guys. What the freak? Oh, bawal tayo mamatay, guys. Challenge ko dito, guys, bawal tayo mamatay. Okay, so kalimutan natin yun. Hindi yun kasali. First day pa naman eh. So, makakapasurvive pa tayo siguro. Which is impossible. Whoa! Ang dami nyo, busy! We need to go out. Bro! Come on. Need to get resources now. Challenge ko nga dito bawal mamatay. Okay, as you can see, naglalag siya. Okay, gumawa na tayo ng block. In block. Okay, let's go up. Okay, we are in day 1. Oh my gosh, this is my Minecraft. I have low device, so my mod is actually so bad, bro. Okay, wala pa naman tayo nakikita ng entity, or I don't know. Okay. And kada natin palakas yung mga ilalagay natin mud, or mas nakakatakot. Pero hindi kasi mabilis mga dito mga dwellers. Okay, so we need to actually survive. Yeah, this is my first day, bro, and I died. What? I died from zombies. Seriously, bro. I actually died from zombies. Oh my gosh. Okay, to make actually let's get that okay, pickaxe. I think I don't know, sword. We need sword too, right? Okay, this is my second video, but because my second video, actually second video is gone when I delete that. Oh my god, how many zombies in here, bro? What? Bro, that's zombies. Zombie shit. What is the F3? I don't understand, bro. Alright, let's eat so we can heal. Okay, let's actually get some stone. For me, it's more important than oh, you've actually cold. Yeah, Wala akong nilagay. I don't think if I add torch mod. Oh yeah, I have no torch mod, guys. I'm sorry. I have no torch mod. And but second days I'm gonna add torch mod. Uh, don't worry. I'm gonna add that. So second days I'm gonna add 3 mod. Only 3. Only 3. Yeah, coal. We need coal. Okay. As you can see, my game is laggy. Look, I'm actually lag. Okay, let's actually remove this one again. No, guys, a favorite item in Minecraft is actually a stick. Why say that? Why I said that? My favorite item is actually stick. Okay, so we have this one. We need a lot of stone for blocks so we can run faster. Yeah, kada break ko ng blocks is I'm lagging, bro. Look. Yeah. Look, I'm lagging, bro. If I break blocks, I'm lag. Look. Yeah. You see? Okay, I think. Oh shit. Need to go out for nighttime. Oh god. Oh, nighttime is turning now. To get wood. This is day 1. I think the entity is active more than. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! We need to go up. We need to go up. I cannot place block. Bro, stop. Okay, nighttime is actually so dark. What's that? I see fire. I actually see fire. It's not a fire, bro. It's actually lava. It's lava. Yo, I'm actually so scared. If I died again, I'm gonna leave this game. We're freaking day 1 and we're gonna die. Okay, I hear it. Wait. Oh, skeleton. Oh, skeleton. Okay, let's find another biome. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh no, no, no. Oh no, I have only 4 hearts. I have only 4 hearts. Just give me seconds. Wait, this. I'm lagging. Or no, I'm lagging. freaking day. I never. Oh, we need to go get out in here, bruh. The game just lag. Okay. As you can see,